What's going on, friends? So real talk, I almost didn't make this video. Like, I had it drafted, scrapped it, because every time I see someone talking about creating Flash BTC online, I just automatically assume they're getting paid to say it. And I hate that I think that way, but that's just where things are at now. The space has trained everyone to be suspicious. And honestly, good, you should be. I've been poking around this stuff for a few years, and the ratio of legitimate to complete trash is just not encouraging. We're talking maybe one decent option for every 20 things you come across. So when something actually holds up over time, I feel like at least saying something about it. Get Flash BTC is what I've been using, a couple months in at this point. And what keeps me around is honestly just the absence of red flags. Nothing has broken, nothing has changed on me unexpectedly, and nothing has felt off. In a space full of platforms that pull weird moves the moment you're not watching, that's actually saying something. All right, so walkthrough. First thing when you want to generate BTC is the package selection. 4 options laid out, each with pricing and what it's built for. Going with this one, good. Then visibility duration, running from 1 hour up to 7 days. Setting mine to 3 days here for the demo, simple enough. Okay, then picking the network, good, and entering target address. So I'm switching over to my wallet, copying my BTC address, jumping back, pasting it in. Yep, that's correct. And the last step is hitting buy Flash. And there's the payment screen. 2 options, direct send or wallet connection. Going with direct send, it's just easier to follow. Just choosing most convenient coin for payment. And yes, 3 BTC are deployed. So now we're just waiting a couple minutes for balance to confirm. Okay, while that settles, a couple things worth knowing about why I actually trust this one. The blockchain side of it is verifiable, not just numbers on their own dashboard, actual on-chain activity you can cross-check yourself on any public explorer. I do this every single time without exception. If it's not showing up publicly, I don't care how good their interface looks. And here's where my paranoia comes from. I got hit 3 times before I wised up. First one looked totally professional, clean website, responsive chat support, disappeared with funds 2 weeks in. Second one I used for almost a month, seemed solid, then one morning everything just stopped working and the site was gone. Third time I thought I'd gotten smarter, but I still wasn't checking independent sources. 3 separate losses before I built the habit of verifying everything outside their own ecosystem. Not proud of that track record, but it is what it is. Scammers have figured out that polished design makes people drop their guard, so they invest in it. The only thing that actually protects you is stepping outside their platform entirely. Check transactions on public explorers yourself. Find users sharing actual verifiable hashes, not just reviews. Start at the lowest tier and sit with it for a few weeks before putting anything significant in. Anyway guys, if you want to dig into it, links down below. But I'm going to say what I always say, verify it yourself before anything else. And if you got real experience with it, whether it went well or didn't, drop it in the comments. That kind of honest feedback is genuinely hard to find and it helps everybody. All right, see you guys around.